is a Money Plus. Naka-extend na siya. Floor area 41 square meter with gate. Ito na siya. Pasok tayo. Pasok dining. Kitchen. Dining area. Washroom. Kaya tayo. Washroom. Ay. Bedroom pala to. Ito na extension ng bedroom. Pag in-extend siya, 3 bedroom. Second bedroom, third bedroom, washroom.